Hi everyone, in this video we will solve c minus 4 divided by 4 minus c is equal to 4. Find the value of c. So we will start the solution of this question. There are two methods to solve this question. We will start by method 1. In method 1 we will start by the cross multiplication. So it will be c minus 4 is equal to 4 times 4 minus c. Okay, or it will be c minus 4 is equal to 4 times 4 is 16 minus 4 times c is 4c. This is minus 4c. Add 4c on both sides of the equation. C minus 4 plus 4c is equal to 16 minus 4c plus 4c. Minus 4c cancelled, plus 4c. C plus 4c is 5c. Minus 4 is equal to 16. Now we will move this 16 on the left hand side, so it is plus, it becomes minus 16, that is 5c minus 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now it will be 5c minus 4 into 16 is 20 is equal to 0. Now add 20 on both sides, we get 5c is equal to 20. We will divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5 cancel with 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So the final value of c is 4. This is the value we get from the method 1. Now let's check this value by putting this value back in our given equation for verification of left hand side equal to right hand side. We are given c minus 4 divided by 4 minus c is equal to 4. Let's replace c by its value, that is 4. 4 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. 4. What is this? 4 minus 4, 0, divided by 4 minus 4, 0, equal 4. No, 0 by 0 is an undefined form. And the value of c equals 4 is extraneous root. What is extraneous root? The root which does not satisfy the original equation is called extraneous root, like c equal 4. Because if we put c back in our given equation, it does not satisfy left hand side equal to right hand side. So it is called extraneous root. And in the end we say that no solution exists for the given equation. So we will move to the method 2. We are given c minus 4 divided by 4 minus c equals 4. We can write this as c minus 4 divided by, taking minus common, it will be plus c, and minus 4 is equal to 4. If we multiply negative sign inside the bracket, it is minus c, minus plus 4, back to the same denominator. C minus 4 cancel, and it will be minus 1 equal to 4. No, it is not equal to 4. It is impossible that minus 1 equal to 4. So from this method we also get that no solution exists for the given question. So these are the methods to find the value of c. In the first method we calculate the value of c equal 4, but it does not verify left hand side equal to right hand side. And in method 2 we get minus 1 not equal to 4, so no solution exists. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. If you know another method, then please write this method in the comment section. It will be very helpful for the students and teacher as well. Once again, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.